evening, friends. This is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. See, most of the times, if you look at our life and when we do a retrospection, if I ask you what is your feeling about yourself, what is a thought about yourself, and what is a perception about yourself, most of the answers which I get is like it is not the self reflection which you have got for yourself, but it is mostly the reflection of the society, what it is formed in your mind. So in order to give a right image about yourself also, you need an approval of other people that it is like this. So like most of the times I have seen that people are like copycats and they follow what other people are doing in their life, and they have not found a way for themselves in their life. This has been observed. Like to make you understand more easily, I'll just tell you one small story. There was a guy in a village. People are there in the village, and we have a lot of roads which are not pakka roads. We call this as kacha roads, which are made up of mud. So these mud roads were there, and this guy was learning cycle all the time. I too learned cycle in my childhood days, and I remember those days were very good. When I used to fall, but that wounds which I gained at that time, which I received on my body, they still give me a feeling of joy because that wounds were also especially gives me a good memory. Yes, there was one guy who was actually practicing how to drive a cycle, and he was quite amazed. Even myself, when I was in childhood, I used to pull out of the cycle out of my father's place, and I used to steal it, and I used to go around the entire place. So this guy also was trying to learn the cycle, and you know how the cycle goes. Initial days when you are learning, it will go like this, and the guy will go in all the directions. The same thing was happening with this guy called Ramu, and he was driving this his bicycle, and the road was very wide road, and he found, while he was driving on the road, he was cycling on the road, he found a small stone on the middle of the road. Now this guy was quite surprised, like, how could I cross this? There is a small stone here. And most of the times he was fearful. While driving this bicycle, he was very fearful that, he will go and hit that cycle. He will go and hit and run over the stone. The cycle would hit the stone and he will go. But the stone was very small. And the chances of falling down is very less, negligible. It is more than less than 1%. And the road is very wide, and the stone was lying only at the corner of one side of the road. But because of the fear and hypnotization, what he saw is he could only see the stone on the road. So while driving his cycle, so what happened is he just could not see the other part of the road, and he hit that small stone and he fell. See, if you look at the life also, the probability of falling of this boy on ground was less than 1%. But still, due to his hypnotization, he could only see the stone on the road, and he just hit that stone and fell down. So this is what happening with ourselves also. Like what is happening is with their life is that we are just looking at the samsara, at what other people are doing, and we could only see what the other people are doing in their life, and we also want to do the same thing in our life. And apart from that, nothing else is that which is appearing in front of our mind, so that we can follow that a new path. So this is what is happening with most of the people's life. They are just copying the life of other people. They are getting married because other person is getting married. They are focusing on getting a job because other person is focusing on getting a job. They are having children because other guy is having children, and the people's life has become like the dependence of what the society is thinking, but they do not have a path defined for themselves. They can also path a path of higher life, but you cannot find such people, who have defined their special path for themselves. And most of the lives have become like a copycat. When a copycat life is followed by looking into other people, like doing a marriage or getting into a relationship or building a house or accumulating material wealth, purchasing a car, house, and other things, what will happen? You are also struggling day in and day out what other people are doing. What you have created for yourself to make yourself happy, apart from the other people are doing. See, there are a lot of things to be copied here. You should just go down and observe the life of the people who are actually having all this wealth. Are they really enjoying this kind of life? Are just they are by looking at the external appearances of people, you're thinking that people are happy by doing all these things. So you should go closer and you should go nearer to them and observe what is the life they are leading. And once you negotiate, once you interact with them, and once you find that there is something above this life, then you come to a conclusion that happiness does not lie in all these things, and I should define a path for myself so that in order to be happy. Don't get hypnotized with the society. Don't get hypnotized with other people, what other people are doing. Don't follow other people, and don't follow the process of uh, doing a correction wherein you don't find any solution. So just my request is to follow any path, to follow any route. Don't be a copycat. Be an individual for yourself and enjoy the life in a different way. See you once again, friends. We'll talk about more topics like this on happiness and leading a harmonious life and self-realization. Thank you very much. This is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. Bye, sir.